guys, welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we're going to be looking at the euro dollar and then also the dollar Japanese yen. So guys, before we look at the chart, go visit my website, fxrhapsody.co.za. If you scroll down, there's your video categories on the side here. So if you're getting started in trading, go click that area, and then it will take you to my videos on getting started. And you've got all these strategies, analysis, and so forth. You get your trading platforms where you can just click on it and go download the trading platform that you desire to trade on. Also, you got your news feeds on the side here and some very nice tools looking at your markets and so forth. And you get all your videos on the left hand pane, and then just click on the image and it will take you straight to the videos. Got my brokers over here as well. Currently, I've got two brokers that I prefer, two preferred brokers. IFX, very good broker. A-Book broker, if you don't know what an A-Book broker is, just go click there and it will tell you exactly what they are. And then also they've got very nice spreads. Click on that section, it will show you the spreads of this broker. So just click here, join the family. They've got some nice deposit methods as well. DREV, obviously, trading my VIX 75 and all those other synthetic indexes. But currently, we are waiting on IFX, and they are busy processing and getting VIX 75 and all those other synthetic indexes on their systems. So in the very near future, I will be trading all my trades, or doing all my trades on one broker. Also, resource tab, just go down, click that, and you get your nice cheat sheet, cheat sheet, and then also commitment of traders, updated every weekend. So just click there to download. We'll download straight to your computer, PC, laptop, smartphones. Okay, so we're starting off with the euro dollar on the monthly time frame. We can see that it looks like this consolidation phase in the monthly wants to be broken. So broke that consolidation phase, and it looks like we are retesting that area and maybe looking at continuation to the downside. But still early in the month, so let's see what happens. Go down to the weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, we can see this area, this consolidation area that was broken. Just want to highlight it right there. And we can also see that retracement, but it's testing that support and resistance area. It tested that this last week, and it looks like it wants to continue downside. But also there's that possibility of, if you take your Fibonacci from the high to the low, and let's say this is a swing low, there's also that possibility the price might even retrace back to that area and then continue to the downside, or it might just from here on carry on to our 50%, negative 50% target area, first target area on the Fibonacci. So again, that's higher time frame, but let's see what this week brings. On a daily time frame, let's just expand this a little bit. So what we want to see is, let's just expand a little bit more. Excuse me. So what we want to see is this area over here. It's going to highlight, it's very small. Expand it a little bit more. Okay, so Fibonacci from this high, this little swing high here, to this low over there. So we need price to break this area of resistance currently. So you can see it retested that area, went up and it came down. It touched that 50% and it retracted a bit. So first scenario, obviously from here on, it's going to go down to our target area at the bottom. But also there's that big possibility that it might tap this area or retrace all the way back to our 62% to 79% retracement area before it continues to the downside. So there's the two scenarios. And then also, don't throw away the likelihood of, if price break this area to the upside, if it breaks this resistance area and it moves to the upside, not necessarily going to retrace back to this, it might even carry on upwards and even going higher up to this area over here. So, I mean, we know that there's some liquidity that's lying under or right over here. So there's some liquidity that wants to be tapped. Again, go down to your lower time frames. Let's see what price does there. And then that's where you enter your trades on the lower time frames. This is just high time frame analysis, just to get a feel for where the market is going, and obviously enter on your lower time frames. COT reports, we're looking at the euro. You can see a huge, there's a little bit of a change in the longs, meaning there's a bit of longs that's been placed in the market. Could be the slight push to the upside, but a huge chunk of shorts been placed in the markets as well, pushing that negative or that net position to a negative 22,000, meaning that it's definitely gearing up for a nice sell off to the downside. So again, this week, just go drill down to your lower time frames. Let's look at those key areas in the market, and then, you know, just snipe those entries or those sell entries. Let's move on to the next pair. We're looking at the dollar yen. Let's go down to, or go up to the monthly time frame. Same scenario. Looks like this consolidation area or consolidation phase eventually being broken here. So we're looking at that area. You can see that huge push to the upside of price. We also see some liquidity that's lying up the top here. Let's just drill it down a little more. So currently, price might be hunting that area on the top here. And then also, again, you know, it looks like, again, just possibilities, price retracing back to that area before moving to the upside. So again, this is the higher time frame. It's just getting a feel for where the direction of the market is going. Weekly time frame. Let's just zoom in a little bit more. Okay. So I just want to zoom, before we zoom in, just want to zoom out. So you can see this area over here where market is currently at. I'm just going to highlight that area of the weekly. So you can see that price is right there, like we said about that liquidity area lying on the top here. So right about there, we will have some liquidity that's up there. And then just drilling down a little bit more. So my sentiment is, if you look at your Fibonacci and you pull your Fibonacci from this low to that high, you can see that swing that it made. Swing low, swing high, it came back, it tapped this area over here. I think we did analysis on it before, and we can see that price is now slightly or moving nicely up. Where's my arrow? So scenario one, price is going to go up at least to tap our key area there. That's 50%. Nice target number two. Or price is going to come down to this area round about here. This is also a nice key area for market to retrace back to before continuing to the upside. So let's just have a look at again, this is higher time frames. This is just my feel and my look on the market to where market is heading towards. Again, this is not set in stone. This is just my view on the markets. I just want to take all of this out before we move to the daily time frame. There we go. It's expanding a little bit more. Okay, first of all, we can see this high over here. And again, there's some liquidity that was in the market. So you can see price hunting that liquidity right around there. Let's expand a bit more. There you can see it a little bit better. So you can see that area or that liquidity being hunted. So let's take our Fibonacci. Again, I don't like assuming stuff, but let's say that's your swing low to the swing high. Two scenarios again, obviously this might not be our swing, so price might carry up to the upside, again hitting our targets. So this is target 1 that it's currently sitting on, let's say target 2, target 3. So, and again, then that's scenario 1, price might continue to the upside. And then scenario 2, obviously, let's say this is the swing high, and then we would like to see price coming back to this area over here, right around there, to make, let's just make it all nice and equal, to make a nice retracement back and then carry on to the upside. Two scenarios on the UJ. Let's have a look at your COT reports. Now the Japanese yen, like we know, it's been weak for so long, and you can see some longs being closed in the market, some shorts being closed, a little bit more shorts than longs. So yeah, maybe we can see a little bit of movement to the downside. And there's also this possibility, let me just take it out, especially after seeing the COT reports. This is now again support and resistance area. Let's just take all of this out. So if you are a support and resistance trader, this might be your possibility. Breaking support, breaking resistance, area turn support, and then move to the upside. So that's, again, guys, high time frame analysis. Use the same type of analysis on your low time frames. Drill down to your hourly. Like you guys know, I trade on my 5 minutes, 1 minute, even getting those sniper entries. So don't throw those time frames away. Drill down to those time frames, and you can see things happening. And then just look at where price is turning, and respecting these areas to get your perfect sniper entries. So guys, that's all from me on these two pairs for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Press that like button, comment in the comment section. I'm making some more analysis this weekend, so hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you don't miss out on those analysis. And guys, I hope you are having a fabulous weekend. Stay safe, and happy trading, guys.